and to his word. I will meet Penasini and Cephas, which is rock Penasini. That is not appropriate. Not appropriate at all. Hello, baby.
We should do a fantasy football, good egg fantasy football league.
I would be absolutely okay with that. That would be completely fun.
Who would do that?
I think everyone would.
Wait, has it?
Will there be gambling?
I mean, we could do like a pool.
Are we all aware that
We got Fred and Kebot already.
I have a good friend who does fantasy football podcasting for a living, and he makes a whole draft kit. I would ask him if we are going to start a fantasy football league. I wonder if I could get Andy to send us a coupon code for the draft kit for all the good eggs. Do you think we could get like a 10% off?
Yeah, all the money could go to the Good Egg Fund.
All money just goes to the Good Egg Fund. The fun thing about the Detroit Lions is that you can promise a lot of things in the name of a Super Bowl and never have to pay up.
Here, Millie, hold this baby while you...
I would think that would be fun, Hannah. Or like maybe perhaps it would be more fun for people if they got to keep something. Like we did a 50-50. A 50-50 because I don't... I'm not entirely sure what the rules are about
gambling. Maybe a non-monetary thing for the winner.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Like a hoodie or something.
Oh, that would be lovely. Yes. I'm thinking because I'm not sure. I'm going to need to ask the accountant before we do anything. I don't know what the rules are about giving gambling winnings to the non-profit. If there's something weird about that. Because most non-profits do like 50-50 raffles. And I think that there might be something to it. I'm not sure. Internet says Latin, Cephas, Greek. Bleh. So basically, yes, Latin. It was in Aramaic also Cephas. When young boy Big J was just dishing out the nicknames. When your boy Big J. Indeed. I appreciate you looking it up. Thank you. I was confident that it was Latin or Greek, and I didn't know at all about Aramaic. My Aramaic is exactly as terrible as you'd expect it to be from a Midwestern housewife. I mean, how good is your Aramaic, I wonder? All right, so we've done all this, and then we have to do stock pot water and salt and bring it to a boil. We need 1/4 cup of salt and 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water and 1/4 cup of salt.
Mom! What? When Mary was holding a box of crackers, she took the box and used her helper.
She's been using her helper a lot lately.
She has been using it an awful lot. I think the more she realizes she can do with it. That was what the what is that called?
Physical therapy?
No, the other one.
Occupational therapy?
The occupational therapist was saying is that the more she recognizes her ability to use it, the more she will use it. And I suppose that just makes good sense. But oftentimes I would say, oh, well, she doesn't know how to do that, and then I wouldn't have her do it. And now she has all sorts of things that she can do, like hold multiple objects. Can you believe? United Kingdom bans Binance as country cracks down on crypto. What? The United Kingdom is cracking down on crypto. What do you suppose that means? Does Gibbs not get to keep her Doge?
What do they buy? Or what do they crack down on?
Mary loves Joey.
Binance?
Get rid of her.
Binance? Is that a thing? Binance? I don't know. It looked like finance, but with a B. If you guys run it back tonight, I'm very much down. What?
You're talking about games?
Luis and I played for an hour or so last night. Is that what you did?
Mm-hmm.
He came into bed very late. And even though it was his day off, he did not wake up and get me coffee. Got him coffee
It's
there.
my day off.
When is my day off?
Good point.
I just have questions. Because it seems to be none of the days. It turns out that turning electricity into money on a large scale is actually quite bad for the environment.
I was just listening to podcast about this.
Okay, I know that I've heard it, and I believe you. It's just I don't understand. Because in my mind, it's literally just made up and really goes insofar as a spreadsheet. You just need a nice Excel document. I don't understand how it's causing trouble for the environment. I know it is. Someone has told me, but I don't understand. Lady Catherine spent her days practicing her curtsy.
See, it's supposed to be like the Apex Legends, but it says Hannah Luzu. You see? You see here? You see? This is what we were going for.
I think she understands. She's a very smart girl. She's very bright. Studied at Oxford, I believe. Oh, for frick's sake. Yes, I was about to say, it looked like the Apex Legends logo. Moria, very smart man. Hopefully it's not. Your next day off is much like the day after the youngest graduates high school. That sounds right. It does sound right, indeed. Here's the hope. There's a little bit of hope. Is your mother coming to visit us soon? Husband?
What?
Is your mum coming to visit?
Oh,
Your
yeah.
mother?
Eventually. I don't know. She can't pin things down. You know how my mom is.
Well, I was thinking